stage, Rain International Vice President of North America Sales, Russ Cowley.
Yes, I can. Now I believe I want to with this plan. We'll be grab for the rookie day. I'll be the president one day. JFB first. Oh, they love it. Like you the one picking what God.
I got a bag of tricks here. I'm gonna do a little comedy act. No, I'm not as good as Connie Podesta, that's for sure. Hey, wasn't Paul awesome? Can we give him a big round of applause? Yeah, that perspective that we have from Mr. Hickey is a fantastic perspective. And I really hope that that resonates with you, because I know that most people will ask themselves maybe 8 questions or 10 questions about, is this a company that I should join? Well, again, when Paul and his firm asked those 150 plus questions, speaks volumes, right? Okay, well, fantastic. We just appreciate him being on board with us. Now, I just want to tell you something in a few minutes that I have. There's a statement that Mr. Albert Einstein said. He said, you don't need to know everything, you just need to know where to find it. Ladies and gentlemen, if Albert Einstein was here today, he'd be in the store, right? That's where you're going to find the information that you need. We've got some great tools back there, great information, and some great swag. Come on, Danny, come shoot him. But look, Albert Einstein was a smart man. The question is, are you as smart as he is to be in the store, right? Get those tools, get that information, and finally, get it today because there's no shipping, right? That's worth it of itself. All right, everybody, have a great convention, and we'll be back soon.
Yes, I can. Now I believe I want to with this plan. We'll be grab